Hello students, today I'll be starting with question number 12 of exercise 8.3. Now question number 12 says a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. So it is given that a scooter was purchased at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated. Now depreciated means a decrease in the value, okay? A decrease in the value of anything over time, okay? Suppose we have purchased a mobile of rupees 15,000, okay? And after using, its value get depreciated. Similarly, here a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. So after using it, value get depreciated and it is depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. So what we have to find? We need to find the value after 1 year. So obviously after 1 year, a decrease in the value of the scooter. So what we did in the previous cases, value was given. The initial value we considered as principal. Now after 1 year or 2, 3, whatever it is, after some year, its value get increased, right? So we used to find the increased amount. So that time formula was A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 is raised to the power n. Okay, when the value get increased, because that time whatever you are finding, whether you are finding population or you are finding the number of bacteria or you are finding the amount, its value get increased. That's why we use this formula to find that. Now here, since in case of depreciation value get decreased, so everything will remain same, only in place of plus sign it will be minus sign. Since over the years value get decreased, so only in case of plus sign we will put minus sign, okay? Now let's start. So here initial value is 42,000, so we'll consider P, we'll consider 42,000 as P, okay? Now R is given, which is 8%. So R is 8% and time is given 1 year. Now we are finding the amount only, but here we will just put plus, we'll just put minus in place of plus sign, okay? So A is equals to P into 1 minus R by 100 is raised to the power n. So when we need to find depreciation, since value of the asset, value of the product get decreased, so in place of plus sign we will put minus sign here, though we are finding amount only, because we need to find the amount after 1 year, but since amount is decreased here, so here plus will be minus, okay? Everything will remain same. So in place of P we'll put 42,000 into 1 minus R is 8 divided by 100 is in place of n we have 1, so we'll put 1. Now 42,000, here 8 and 100 can be reduced, so for 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100, okay? So we have 1 minus 2 by 25 is raised to the power 1. Now 42,000, now we'll find the LCM, so here is 1, so 25 into 1 is 25. Now 25 divided by 1 is 25, 25 into 1 is 25, minus 25 divided by 25 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. So 42,000 into 25 minus 2 is 23 by 25. Since power is 1, so we will write 23 by 25 one time, okay? Now we will cancel this by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, and then 2 zeros. Again we will cancel by 5. So 5 16s are 80, 5 8s are 40, then 0. So we have 1680 multiplied by 23. So 1680 multiplied by 23, okay? So 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, 4 2 carry, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 0 2 carry, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5. Then multiplying by 2, 2 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 0 4 6 38,3. So it is 38,640. Therefore, value after 1 year will be rupees 38,640. The scooter was bought at rupees 42,000 and after 1 year its value get depreciated and it will become 38,640. Okay. So this was the last question of this chapter. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Okay. Thank you, students.